Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 27th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, once again, more upside. The Dow was up 68 points, a fresh new high of 19,148, while the S&P 500 was up 8.5. The Nasdaq was up 18, and the Russell added another 5 points. So, is this, is this a continuation of the Trump honeymoon, or is the greatest suckers rally of all time, according to David Stockman? That, and I tend to agree with him. I think it is, but in the right now, you really can't argue with what's going on. I taught a class on price action over the weekend, and if you look at this, I mean, we consistently have higher highs and higher lows, and until we make a new lower low and a new lower high here, there is nothing to worry about. So in the short term, I do think we continue moving higher, but longer term, when this does turn around, I think it is going to be epic. And I think 2017, at some point in 2017, it will be definitely time to start hoarding gold and cash. I really do think we're going to get to the point where you're going to want to sell stocks, you're going to want to sell bonds, and just basically protect yourself from what's coming. But at this point, there is no sign of that yet. Are we extended here? Yes, I think we are. But a pullback here would only, we'd only be looking for another buying opportunity the way this is set up right now. We need a much bigger rollover to really start getting concerned. But having said that, I do think it's coming. Look at bonds. They're trying to find a bottom, but with this kind of momentum to the downside, I highly doubt we will see any significant bounce. Gold continues to trade lower, and crude, wow, another beating on Friday. And I think the only thing that saves crude here is an OPEC deal. Aside from that, this is going much, much lower. We now have an island reversal formation here that, if we trade below Friday's low, tomorrow here will be confirmed. And I think this takes us initially to 42, then takes us to 39. And like we've been saying for a while now, eventually we can actually retest this 26 zone. So a lot of pain ahead for oil, unless OPEC comes up with some miraculous deal here to cut output and save it. But at this point, looks like we're in for more pain on crude. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.